Hi guys on YouTube. Here I've got a clip-on desk fan. I bought this I think in 2003-4, I'm not really sure, but it still works, and it's not even got damage except for the guard, because it's just been a little bit dented, but it still works. I've plugged it in. I'm going to turn it on. I'll start it on speed 1. That's good speed, and it just nice a gentle breeze. And put it on speed 2. It only has 2 speeds. As you can see, it's quite quiet, and that's all I can do for now because I haven't got much memory left on the camera.